Hey, how's it going? This month we're doing a lot of focus on interior cleaning in our videos, and one of the things I wanted to talk about is American Detailer Garage Shield. And I like Shield because it actually has anti-static properties which can repel some dust and dirt, and Shield is versatile. Just like all American Detailer Garage products, it can be used for multiple things. So in this case, we can use it to protect the dash and the interior of the vehicle, and we can also use it in engine bays on plastic and other parts that we might want dirt to not stick to. And we can actually use Shield as a light cleaner if the vehicle is not too dirty. So if the vehicle is dirty, we're going to use something like interior cleaning and either a Scrub Ninja from Autofiber or one of our new interior flips to sort of clean and prep the interior. But if it's very light, if you see my car here, it's already clean. We cleaned it in another video and it wasn't that dirty to begin with. So we can either use one of our white Elite towels or our gray interior flips. Now, I like using these because they're a lighter color. So while I have a dark interior, a lot of people don't. So for example, you might have a Tesla with the white vegan leather, and this would be a good option. There's less likelihood of dye transfer, and the interior flip is good for LCD screens and other electronics so it doesn't scratch. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to take the Shield and we're going to use it as a light cleaner. Now you can spray it directly onto the panel, but you really shouldn't spray it into electronics, and I don't like to spray stuff directly onto things in the interior as a general rule because I don't want to get product everywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray Shield into the towel instead of onto the panel itself, and then I'm just going to wipe it down, and this will clean and protect and form almost like a layer that will get into the pores of the interior parts, the leather and the plastic, and it will provide some UV protection as well. Shield does not leave a really greasy look like some of other brands that you might have seen. It leaves a nice, clean, matte finish, which looks new or clean, which is, if you've seen our other videos, that's how we like to do things here. We don't like that greasy, wet look. So if you're looking for that factory matte finish to finish off your interior cleaning that we've been talking about, check out American Detailer Garage Shield and pick up one of our new interior flips.